Hello everyone! Today I want to tell you about my experience visiting one of my favorite places that I visited a few years ago. So I went to Castle Subang there in 2022, 2 years ago. I still clearly remember the exciting moment because this place really left a beautiful impression on my memory. I went there with my big family. There was my father, brother, mother, sister, brother, and also a group of family gatherings. So the trip was even more exciting because we traveled together. We were on a tour bus, and along the way, the atmosphere was full of jokes, a lawyer in the form of karaoke. Then there was a question session. Together like this always makes the trip more memorable. There, I did a lot of fun, exciting things, starting from taking aesthetic and Instagrammable photo spot. Namely, there is King Castle, there is a replica of the Golden Bride, like in Vietnam, has the Headless Gold Ferris, well in Subang. Many rides for all ages. There is the Longer Rainbow Slide in Childer. There is Rainbow Historia, Hermit Brides, Queen Castle, Terracing Asia, enjoying the beautiful scenery for relaxing with family while picnic. The place is also very comfortable, so it feels really good to spend time there. If you ask me why I think the place is so beautiful, I can say that the beautiful is not only from the scenery, but also because of the atmosphere and the experience. I feel there are many really beautiful photo spots with natural scenery that spoil the eyes. In addition, the air that is very fresh for volunteers, so it feels like recharging energy after being busy with full work practice season. For me, this place also feels special because it creates irreplaceable moments of togetherness by spending time with family. Every course seems to be designed to make visitors comfortable, whether to relax, take pictures, or enjoy time with loved ones. Anyway, if you have free time and need refreshing, I really recommend coming to this place. Hopefully, this story will be a recommendation for traveling and exploring our beautiful place. Thank you for listening to my story about tourist attraction.
What things attract tourists to visit a place?
Having many aesthetic and Instagrammable photo spots makes visitors interested in traveling there. Viral tourist attractions make tourists interested in visiting the place. The best service will make visitors feel at home traveling. Clean tourist attractions make tourists feel comfortable and interested in visiting the place.
How do places change when too many tourists visit them?
One of the most obvious impacts of the tourists is environmental damage. For example, tourists who don't follow the rules often leave trash behind. Tourist destinations that are not designed to accommodate many visitors can experience serious problems with their infrastructure. Narrow streets become congested due to the large number of tourist vehicles. This has a negative impact on the tourists themselves when a destination is overcrowded. The tourist experience can be drastically reduced. Tourists may have to pay for hosts to enter the attraction, feel uncomfortable due to the large crowds, or even be unable to enjoy the beautiful natural scenery due to being crowded by other tourists.
What can individual people do to protect beautiful places?
Every tourist spot has rules that must be observed by tourists. These rules are actually related to the prohibitions of destroying natural littering. Make sure to read and understand the rules that apply in every tourist spot you visit. Avoid touching or damage nature, such as taking flags or stones as souvenir. Do not also break or cut flags. Reduce the use of plastic such as bringing your own water bottle, bringing your own shopping bag. Using reusable cutlery, this can help reduce the amount of plastic waste that populates nature. If necessary, a special plastic to be a personal waste if you leave the tourist attraction, you can dispose of in the trash.
Apart from tourists, what other environmental problems are common in the world today?
Pollution is caused by sulfurous gases and toxic released by industrial factories as well as the residue of burning fossil fuels. Soil population is mainly caused by industrial waste that destroy nutrients and nutrients in the soil that are important for plants. Climate change or global warming. Climate change such as global warming is the result of human practice such as greenhouse gas emission. Global warming causes the temperature of the ocean and the Earth's surface to rise, leading to the melting of polar ice caps and rising sea level. The next environmental problem is waste disposal. This is mainly plastic waste and urban garbage and the Ciliwung River in Jakarta or city in Indonesia. In addition to house waste from the industrial sector that is often discharged the river to cause fish die to industrial river ecosystem.
Whose responsibility is it to deal with this problem?
The most responsibility party in overcoming social problems is the community itself, especially the policymaker, namely the government. The rules that are made and implemented firmly will gradually be able to slightly overcome social problems in society. The attitude of people who respect each other, help each other will also gradually affect the eradication of social problems in society.
What can ordinary people do and protect the environment?
Imagine how much plastic waste will accumulate if everyone has disposable eating and drinking utensils. This can have a negative impact of the environment. Try starting from yourself to ask a variety of reusable eating and drinking utensils. Disposal of garbage in its place.
Yang jatuh cinta ingin aku